Ooh, honey baked corned beef I made for my husband's birthday. Let's get into it. These are all the seasons that I use to marinate and season corned beef. I also use mustard and chicken base paste to make the broth to put in the corned beef to make it juicy. Now it's prepped. We're ready to make the glaze. I make with honey, brown sugar, and mustard, and I make the glaze very thick. From there, I drizzle it on, but I put some to the side because I add it throughout cooking. I put the oven on 350, add the aluminum foil, put in the oven, and cook for 4 to 5 hours. Look at that. Ooh, baby, ain't she a beauty? Look how tender and juicy that is. This is the best honey baked corned beef I've ever made. It was so succulent, just melt in your mouth. And then I also added the extra glaze that cooked in the corned beef and drizzled it on top. Look at that delicious meal. Ooh, honey baked corned beef with candy yams and mustard greens, and even with the leftovers. I made corned beef egg roast with the duck sauce. Listen, your girl got skills. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, and subscribe.